Hi everyone, this is Karen Hightower, design team member for Gina K Designs. Today I'm going to share with you this foiled Valentine's card project. I'm going to do it in a different color, and I will show you all the products I used, and then we will get started. I have the new Gina K Designs stamp set. You have my heart. It came in the Hearts and Flowers Stamp TV kit that was just released in January. It also comes with dies. I'll be using the 3 larger dies that come in this set. This is the Bubblegum Foil. I will not be using this one today, but I had to show it to you because it is a beautiful foil to foil with. I will be using the Turquoise Sea because I'm going to make this card for my husband today. And then this is the Love and Kisses Foil Mates. There's 2 patterns, and you get 10 sheets, 5 of each, and they're 5.5 by 8.5, so you can make lots of cards with them. I also have a card base. I have that white heavy base cardstock. It's cut at 4.25 by 11, scored at 5.5. And then I have, and you can make it a side fold card. It don't have to be a top fold. I have layering panels and stuff here. The black onyx is going to go on the top. It is 4 by 5.25. The white is 3 3/4 by 5. And then for the inside, I have a turquoise sea. It is cut at 3 3/4 by 5, and the white is 3.5 by 4 3/4. The measurements will be below the video for you. So I'm going to start with my top panel. And I have the dies here. I'm going to lay them out how I want them on the card. Okay, we're going to use washi tape to hold them down. Let me make sure that my greeting will fit. Oh, let's scoot this over some. There we go. Okay. Just so I know where everybody's going to be. We'll tape these down. Then I'm going to die cut these real quick, and I will be right back. We have those all done. And I have my dies. I have a little tray here that I'm keeping stuff in. That way I can just chunk them over there when I'm done. Then I can put them all up. Okay, we're going to scoot those aside. Now when I get my foil mates in, I usually will take... zoom in just a little bit. I usually take and I will foil some of the panels so they're always ready and on hand. I don't have to stop, get out the laminator and foil some. I already have them ready. So I did the two different panels. I did in the turquoise sea, and then I did several in this bubblegum pink, which I don't know how well you can see that. It's so pretty in real life. And then I have the red velvet one that I've done. I've already played around with it some. So what I did is I cut out 2 hearts. I cut the XO and then the I love you. And what's great is you can place that heart exactly where you want it to cut out, so you get what you want inside that heart. Okay? And then I have a piece of scrap, just plain scrap piece of this blue that I'm going to put behind this one. Now I saw Jennifer McGuire do it in a video the other day, and that's what I'm going to do with this. I'm just going to tape it to the back side. But I do want to show you something. When you tape this, if you put tape or sticky stuff up against the silver side, that's where the foil is, and when you move it, it will come off. It won't stay attached. See? There it is. So you can see the foil sticks to the tape, which she showed. You can lay tape, the score tape down on your card. You can put foil on it, and it looks great. But I want this to stick to the card. So as long as you're taping the blue side, the pretty side of the foil, it will hold. So let me tear that off. Score tape to the back of this panel, and it will hold our blue layer in place. So let me peel these off. Grab my tweezers. They seem to work better for me. Okay. And I'll lay like that, and then I can just trim off the excess. There we go. Okay, so we have that heart already done. So then what I've done, since I've already foiled these and cut these out, I'm going to take a stack of these. I die cut a bunch of these. So I'm going to glue them together and then glue this one on top, and then I will put it there. Not a bunch. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's do 5. This is the Connect Glue by Gina K Designs that she just came out with. I really like it. It's fast drying, but it does give you enough time that you have a little wiggle room when you put it together. And then it sets up, and it's awesome. I just love this glue. I used it the whole release in January, the middle of January, the 11th. For all those cards I made, I used this Connect glue, and I really have enjoyed it. So now we have a nice little sandwich of paper. It's thick, so it will go down real nice, but it'll be popped up a little bit. This one I'm going to pop up. So let's grab the black onyx, and I'm going to add some of this around here just to hold that down a little bit. I like a smaller border, but you can make it as big or as small as you want. And then I'm going to trim this down so I have a even border all around. There we go. Alrighty, so now we're going to take this one that we glued together, glue it in place. I'll just put the glue right in here. And then we can get it nestled in. Okay, and then this one, I have these black foam squares that I'm going to put in here. And then I'm just going to tuck it in the groove and then just kind of lay it down like that. And so then you get a little shadow around it. Okay. And next I'm going to grab my Embossing Magic, rub a little bit there. I'm going to grab the Versafine and my greeting. And I'm going to stamp it right here. And then we're going to heat emboss it real quick. And there's that. Alright, so let's grab the card base. And we are going to just attach it to the card base. I'm going to use my Connect glue as it rolls around. There we go. And then on the inside, I'm going to take this turquoise sea along with this white, and then I will attach this to the inside. I think I'll do this because I didn't do it on the other one. Turquoise sea. I'll grab some of that ink. We're going to do this one that has the open center in it. Sorry, I had to change my mind midstream, didn't I? Alright, so let's get this heart on here. And also, what I want to do, I cut off a strip of that panel so I can use it on the inside. Okay, like so. But I'm also going to do the heart. Because I'll probably just write something in there like I love you, and you know, something sweet and mushy and romantic. Then I have plenty of room to write, and I can sign my name below it if I want. And then I always flip it over. I believe we should always sign the back of our cards or artwork. And that way everybody knows who made it. If you don't sign it, nobody knows who made it, right? And then I always like to take something I've used on the front or that goes with it. And I stamp it on the back as well. You can stamp that down here, up there, wherever. It's your preference. That's what's fun about it. You design it how you want. And then I'll sign it, and then I'm done. So we have it in the red and in the blue. Let me know which one you like better. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had a wonderful time, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel. You can visit me over at karenscreativemess.blogspot.com. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.